Hi guys, welcome to your video on beginning place value. Today we're going to be able to write a two-digit number using base 10 blocks. So a lot of times when you see numbers, you're going to see that numbers have different lengths and different values. For example, you might see 2 or 59 or 38 or 3,478 or even a huge number like 1,237,482. But one of the things you need to be able to do is not just look at a number, but you need to be able to read it and know how much it's worth. That's called its value. So sometimes when you're looking at addition problems, you might see some easier ones like this. If I showed you 5 plus 3, you would be able to know to get some counters to just add it together. For example, you could do 5 red counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 3 yellow counters, 1, 2, 3. Now what you would have to do is just to figure out exactly how much they're worth, you know that you could just count these up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you know that 5 plus 3 equals 8. Pretty easy, right? Well, what happens though is you get into some harder numbers. What if I gave you this problem? 3,498 plus 6,985. Would you really want to have to count all those counters for each of those numbers? I know that I sure wouldn't. So one of the ways that we can do that is by adding together each value. Now we're not going to work on that skill today, but I wanted you to understand why we have to start working on this skill. So let's look at a place value number. Let's look at this one here. Now, for what we're working on today, we're only going to show you 2 different places. But as you get more comfortable with place value, you're going to get to know a whole lot more places. But where we're always going to start is with the ones place. So I made this kind of T right here to help us separate our numbers. To the furthest to the right is always going to be the ones place. And just to the left of that is going to be the tens place. Those are the first 2 places that we're going to work on. And as you can see right here, we're going to just write the number of blocks in each spot. So for this one we have 1, 2, 3 ones. So we'll write a 3 right here. And if we count our tens, we can see that we have 2 tens blocks. We know they're tens block because they have 10 blocks in each part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 1, 2 tens blocks. So we'll write a 2 in the tens place. Now all you have to do, this is the easy part, is just put the numbers together. So for example, this one would be 23. These blocks are showing us the value of 23. Let's look at another one. This one here, same thing. First you always count the ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to put a 6 in the ones place. And then in our tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we put a 5 in the tens place. All we have to do now is put the number together. And we can see using our number line or number grid that the number here is 56. One more, just to make sure you got it. In this one, I see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So there's our ones block, so we have 9 of those. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. So we're going to put 9 in our tens place. And we know that when we put that number together, it equals 99. It's that simple, guys. So when we're looking at our objective, I'll be able to write a 2-digit number using base 10 blocks. What I'd like you guys to practice at home or in class is trying to put some blocks together or drawing them out on paper and see if you can figure out what number they would equal. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.